This is Tiu Kelep Waterfalls. Cashew nut? Wow. What a ride. So we rented a bike and we drove for like 45 minutes, and we got a half an hour more drive through Lombok from the west to the north, because we want to see the biggest waterfall in Lombok. It's a really long way, but it's easy when you rent a bike. So the road is actually okay to drive on. So we look forward to the waterfall. So off we go. Say something. Say something.
No.
Say something.
No.
Give it a little kiss.
Hachi hachi.
Hey guys, we're still driving on the way to the waterfall. It's a long way from where we live. We've been driving like this for 1 hour, but it's an easy way, so everybody can do it. And look at the surroundings. We just stopped the bike because I never in my life saw a cashew tree. This is cashew nuts. I'm pretty sure that this is cashew nuts. Wow. This is a cashew nut tree. That's amazing. Look at this. Correct me if I'm wrong, if this is not a cashew tree. And you have the fruit, and then you have the cashew nut. Wow. It's a goddamn cashew tree. What a ride. What a ride. Thank you, terima kasih. You too, thank you.
Terima kasih banyak.
Sama-sama.
I take the stick, yeah, because I want to do like fight with the monyet.
Oh, so if you find the monkeys, we fight with them.
Yeah, like a local fight.
Local fight with the monkeys.
Yeah, yesterday the local fight.
Yeah?
Yeah, in Anyar village, very close from here.
Okay.
Like 1 kilometer, 2 kilometers down.
Wow.
Then just fight.
So we are finally on the way to the waterfall.
Siapa nama?
What is called?
Siapa nama?
Siapa nama?
Yes.
Siapa nama?
Yeah, you know?
No?
Why?
I don't know.
What's your name?
So we got a guide, and he's a funny guy. He's a funny guy guide.
Thank you, thank you. What's your name?
My name?
Yeah.
Michel.
Nihel. Nihel.
Michel.
Nihel.
What's your name?
Marta.
Murta.
Yeah, beautiful name.
Yeah, Murta.
Yeah. Your name like Chinese name.
My name?
Yeah.
No, it's not Chinese. It's not even close. Oh, Like a protection hat.
Yeah. Creative. I need creative. Just for the picture, but if you want.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
For the Instagram.
Yeah. Nice for Instagram.
Hat.
Yeah.
A guide made a funny hat.
Yeah.
Wow.
That, yeah.
Hey, what a nice hat. Hello. So my girlfriend just received a funny hat. Look how funny she looks now. And this is some funny stairs.
Yeah.
All the funny way up.
No funny step. Hot step.
Hot step? No, this is funny step. Funny step all the way. Funny, funny. This is not so funny. Still going to the waterfall. Tiu Kelep. What was the name of the waterfall?
Tiu Kelep.
Tiu Kelep, yeah. Tiu Kelep waterfall in Lombok. North Lombok. Okay, I have to put the camera here. Cara. Ada mana? Oh. Hello.
Careful down here.
On our way to the next waterfall. Oop. Slippery, slippery, walking with the camera is dangerous. It's dangerous.
In the water there.
In the waterfall?
Yes, the waterfall.
Where I go? Okay. Yeah, I'm on my way down to the waterfall. The guide is saying that I can just go through, so I will just go through the waterfall. Okay, we'll go through the waterfall. Amazing! Amazing! Guys, I have to try to go through that waterfall. You can really feel the power of the fall of the water. It's so crazy. Amazing. It's very cold. We are on our way back from the waterfall. Amazing waterfall. You have to go see it. If you're in Lombok, visit the two waterfall. I will put a link from the place in the description, so you can see where it is in Lombok, so you can find it. We drove all the way from Bangsal, so it's like one and a half hour if you drive slowly. Slowly it's better. Don't rush it. Amazing place in Lombok. And we're gonna drive back to our homestay and relax a little bit, so we're ready for tomorrow. We stopped again on the road because of these babies. Wow, it's jackfruit, a lot of them. And on the other side of the road I have to go. On the other side of the road I have to go. Look at these. Look at this. Wow. 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 Oh. Oh, it's a beauty. Wow, look at them. Look at those beautiful jackfruits. It's heaven of jackfruit. It's the heaven of the jacks. Wow. Wow. Look at this. Have you ever seen something like this? I gotta try the jackfruit from here. I tried it in Thailand. That's amazing. But now I'm gonna try it from here. Now I'm gonna cross the road again. Just stop just to show you the jackfruit. So if I die just because I'll show you the jackfruit, you owe me a life. Look how angry she looks. Are you angry? Okay, the journey continues.